Hey, what's up, WeChat? This is the latest news of WeChat and what's the future. WeChat can move off it upcoming tabs or not. Let's start this bright video by friends. But kindly, before I start this video, I have to tell you something about this. To WeChat, after a last 7 days completely fails down. At this time, you can see here all crypto market is wake up and they will upward. But definitely, if you can see here, the WeChat is not moving upward. But let's see what's the prediction in the future. Can they moving upward or not? Even so, kindly subscribe this channel before I get started this video and press the bell icon for videos notification, because in this video is going to be very important. So kindly like this video, my friend. First of all, I'm going to show you the last 24-hour trend, and after that I also show you the last 1 hour for the update to what's the news in the current time. But this time you can see here the future prediction is going to be very important, my friend. So you can see here minus 0.71% they fell us down. I think this is very short fast. You can see here, my brother, after a very big time, my friend, after a very long time they're starting moving upwards. So definitely you can see here, and the average of that, my friend, it's mean from last 4 hour to 10 hour, my friends, they're starting moving upward. Yeah, exactly, they're starting moving upward, but the average is very low, my friend. You can see here minus 0.71%. I hope they change and to 1% positive, exactly, just only in the next 6 hour. I hope this is future, my friend. I hope in upcoming times the price will be changed 0.2 USD dollar. Yeah, so WeChain holder, you need to, you just hold kindly, you need. And remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, my brother, to you hold it. I hope the price will be increased, the change occur will be and a positive. So kindly you just hold. All right, so let's see the last 1 hour chart, the latest update to what's going on in the current time. My friends, as you can see here, after a falls they take a jump. It's means you can see here to the change occur also gonna be positive. The change occur also change to positive. This time you can see here 0.3333% they falls down. But definitely if you can see here, the price will be decreased very fastly. But it's time to that wake up. It's time to they move up. Currently holders, especially the short-term investors, starting selling. So therefore the WeChat is completely falls down. But definitely if they are holding, if they cannot starting selling, then exactly the WeChat is move up in the moon. So kindly holder, there I hope the massive pump is coming soon. Kindly you just hold it and wait for a good time, and you just subscribe this channel. Absolutely, this channel is guide you, this channel is update you every time when they're starting moving upward. Absolutely, you have a notification of my video too. If you press bell icon for videos notification to they are wake up and WeChat is go in the moon. So kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification.